Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today how to send your location on WhatsApp on the iPhone. This is really useful if you want to tell somebody exactly where you are, whether you're in a bar or a shopping mall or like me here in the woods waiting to meet my wife. You can send a current location or you can send a live location which tracks where you're going, and I'll show you both options. Anytime. Hello?
Hi. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm in the woods. You know, the woods. Yeah, I'll meet you in the middle bit. In the middle bit by the big tree. You know, the fence and the tree. I'll tell you what, I'll send you the location on WhatsApp. Hold on.
Okay. All right. Bye.
I'm just going to go into my iPhone here and go into WhatsApp. Now in the bottom left hand corner you've got this plus icon. Click on the plus icon, then select location. If you haven't got it enabled on your settings, click on settings, click on location at the top, and you can change this to while using the app or always or next time or when I share. So I'm just going to click while using the app, then go back into WhatsApp. You may not have to do this if you've got location services on all the time. Then click on the button send your current location. Then it automatically pinpoints exactly where I am. This is my current location, and this has now been sent to my wife, so she knows exactly where I am. If I just use my fingers on the screen and just zoom right out, that's exactly where I am. So my wife knows exactly where I am, which is not always a good thing, but it's a good thing when we want to meet up. Now what you can also do is you can send a live location as well, and I'll just show you how that works now. That means that as I'm moving on my wife's screen, she will actually see exactly where I'm going, and that can be really useful. Again, click on the plus and then select location. So now click on share live location. Just gives you a quick warning there. Click on OK. Now I'm just going to have to click on settings again and select location and then click on always. Go back into WhatsApp. You can share your live location 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. I'm going to select 15 minutes. Doesn't matter what one you select, you can always stop it once you've actually met each other, once you don't need it anymore. So that is now live until 10:26 and it's currently 10:11. So if I just speed this footage up, you can see that here I'm moving along this path, and on my wife's phone, if she looks at her WhatsApp, she will see exactly where I am and exactly where I'm moving to. And this is now viewing my location on my wife's phone, so she can see exactly where I am. She's just going to send me a text message on WhatsApp saying that she's on the way. And when you meet up, you can just click on stop sharing. Yippee! Here she is. And that is a really useful feature. Time for a cup of tea. Whilst I'm having a cup of tea, around the edges of the screen there's lots of other useful WhatsApp videos for your iPhone. I hope that was useful.